For children per se, no, but through scouts and through different activities, we've done the survival kit. I lived in the States and where we had the earthquake in California, so we had training like that. But specifically in a school for children, no, this will be my first time experiencing it. And it's exciting to see how we can implement it within a school for the students.
In my case, it was the very first time. I've never done such training. And I think it was very interesting for me to understand as well that what the possible causes could be and what could be done in different situations.
To be fair, now I think once we were a number of stakeholders here together for this presentation, I think at this point we need to get together, prepare a short and a long-term plan on the proper rollout for implementation. At what level? We'll start at the teacher level, prepare this of the teacher, then move on to the students. I mean, it's not just like you do it once and that's it, So I think the strategy is needed on how to
ongoing
roll out the
And as well, we work in the senior sector of the school. So we'll need to see exactly how to implement it with senior school students, how to adapt it for 12 to 16-year-olds, and in what context. For example, in a geography lesson, when they're speaking about earthquake, for example, so they can then use it as a task in that case. We have also homeroom time, so once a week, they meet their class teacher for 10-15 minutes. Maybe we'd say, for example, the first term, we'd base it on training the students for that. Yes. So we'll have to see together how to
make that awareness happen.
Yes.
Yes. I'm sure, yes. And when we involve the students, we like to involve the students. We have the student council, as many other schools have, They could be on board with this and they can help with the rollout. But a proper plan needs to be set in place, I think.
And then we can adapt according to the grade that we have. The younger ones, the grade 8s, our grade 8s, which are around 12 years old, a task like the activity we just did, what to pack in the emergency bag. They'd really enjoy that, And then as you grow older, they can maybe adapt it to their age group. I would say as young as possible, that they can understand what kind of emergencies. So maybe, maybe at school we have fire drills already, but they just know that when you hear the bell, they need to go out of their class. So maybe prepare them a little bit more for that. In Malta, maybe we have storms, which are most likely to happen at the moment, like winds,
and
when trees fall, for example, or floods, how to prepare them for that scenario. And then eventually, as they grow older, maybe we prepare them for other scenarios as well.
That's it. But the younger you are, they'll be less anxious or panicky,
Exactly.
That introduces. The younger the better.